Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is just a little tidbit. Let's say you've designed something and it's really got a bunch of stuff, and to select that text, you'd have to hold down the Shift key, Shift key, Shift key, and then you could change it to 14 points or whatever you want to do. But you could also hold down the Shift key and double click on the text button, and it did the same thing. We can make it different colors, we can make it different sizes, or you can always go to Edit, select Text, and it actually selected my text up here in my little Shift key. So let's get rid of the Shift key for a second. Let's go to Edit, select Text, and then that way you can change the text. You can make it bold, you can make it bigger, you can make it a wholly different font, whatever you want to do with it. Now, on the same menu, you can go to Edit and select all objects. And of course, text is an object, so if you hit the delete key, everything's going away. So that's just if you wanted to, clear up the screen. It's kind of like let's say you want to start over and you've got something hidden down here, but you forgot about it. And I do this almost every time I save something. That item is gone. I always hit the F4 key and it brings that item up. But you could do the same thing. Let's put it back there. And you're looking at this. Well, let's just look at it. And if we go Edit, select all objects and hit delete, it deletes everything on the screen. There's nothing there. All objects are gone. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.